This is our review on Whop clipping. So if we go over to the Discover tab, scroll down to Content Rewards, Show All, this is where all the action happens, and it's a great way to earn extra income from your computer, from your laptop, work on your own hours. You're basically getting paid to post content on social media, and you get paid for the views that you generate. So you're not getting a flat fixed rate. You're getting paid per 1,000 views in most cases. It's going to be between $1 and $5. You can sort by the most paid out, the highest CPM, or even the newest. So if you want something with less competition, selecting by newest is going to be your best bet, because not many people are going to be in these WAPs. If you want the highest amount of money, the highest CPM, sort by the highest CPM. As we can see, you can get paid up to $20, up to $50 per 1,000 views. Now, keep in mind that these higher CPMs do have waitlists, as we can see, and a lot of them are actually closed because they're so competitive. A lot of people are very selective who they want to hire as a clipper. But overall, this is a great way to earn some extra income because you have the freedom to work wherever you want and whenever you want.